Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the iOS emoji keyboard is enabled. This gives you the full Apple emoji set. Once enabled, open Snapchat and pick the chat or story composer where you want emoji. Tap the text field to bring up the keyboard, then switch to the emoji panel. You're doing this now so Snapchat uses the system emoji. This avoids stickers or Bitmoji. Make sure to position the cursor where the emoji should appear before moving to the next step. Once the emoji keyboard is visible, choose from categories or type a search term to find a specific emoji. This saves time. Tap an emoji to insert it in line with text, or place it alone on the canvas if you prefer a sticker-like effect. After inserting, use 2 fingers to pinch to resize and drag to reposition. This directly controls visual emphasis. Remember, emoji inserted as text will match platform style. Emoji placed as images behave like overlays. To finish, review placement and then send the snap or save it to your camera roll. Once done, check how the emoji appears on the recipient's device. Platform differences can change appearance, so choose emoji accordingly. If emoji fail to appear, make sure iOS and Snapchat are updated. Outdated versions often cause rendering problems. If that doesn't fix it, restart Snapchat and then the device. One key tip: sign out and back in if emojis still misbehave, because account cache can block new keyboard settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.